Key analytics that impact your content plan. Once you start running a website or blog, you will need to check your results by looking at the analytics for your site, as well as other content marketing activities. There are a number of areas to pay particular attention to in order to develop a content marketing plan that will help you grow your business consistently over time. A few of these are your site's traffic log. Your traffic logs will be packed full of information, so full that they can sometimes be confusing. Create a spreadsheet to help you track the basics. There are a number of important things to look out for, such as the number of daily site visitors, that is to say, how many people are visiting your website or blog each day. Do you notice any traffic spikes? Was there a surge in traffic on a particular day? What did you publish or do differently that day? Check the bounce rate. The bounce rate refers to how many people arrived at your site but clicked back out again quickly. A high bounce rate is bad because it will create the impression to Google and the other search engines that your site is not that interesting. You need to create content, and you need to create links to other related content to encourage visitors to stay and look around more. Main entry pages. Which pages are people landing on when they arrive at your site? It will usually be your home page, but if you run a very successful marketing campaign, other URLs might come out on top. Main exit pages. Which pages are visitors departing the site from? If they are the same as the entry pages, chances are they are not looking around enough, and you need to encourage them to stay. Top URLs. Which content is the most visited? Plan to create similar content. Time spent at site. The longer people stay on your website or blog, the stickier your site is. This means people like your content. Average number of pages viewed on your site. The higher the average number of pages viewed per site visitor, the more your content is of interest to those in your niche. Let's move on to email marketing. Email marketing is an essential content marketing skill because it enables you to build a relationship with people interested in your niche, and it also drives sales. Your email marketing platform should offer good analytics. The following are the main numbers to track on your analytics spreadsheet. Open rate. How many people opened the email? This will give you an idea of how good your subject line was. Bounces. How many emails did not go through? Some email programs will delete a user automatically after 3 bounces, so you don't have a lot of dead weight on your list. Click-through rate. See if the clicks match traffic to the URL you have given them, and any other action you wish to take, such as buying a product. Another form of marketing is social media marketing. Create social media accounts at every one of the main networks that is relevant to your niche. Produce content for each network regularly and gauge your results using their analytics program. Audience engagement differs in reference to the terminology used, but they will all have similar features to the number 1 social site, Facebook: likes, shares, comments, followers. See which pieces of content are the most successful and publish similar content. Republish the best content periodically as you add more followers to your account.